Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share simple truths about everyday foods that many people enjoy. Today's topic is something almost everyone loves. Ice cream. Cold, sweet, pleasant. For most people, it is just a dessert, a moment of joy during a hot day, or a reward after a long time. But there is more behind this simple pleasure. Ice cream affects your brain. When you eat something sweet, your brain releases dopamine. This is the chemical connected to pleasure. You feel relaxed. Your mood improves. This is why ice cream often feels comforting during stress. It gives a quick emotional lift. Then comes energy. Ice cream contains sugar. Sugar provides fast energy. Your body becomes more active for a short period. This effect is temporary, yet noticeable. Another important point is calcium. Most ice cream is made from milk. Milk contains calcium. Calcium supports bone strength. It plays a role in muscle function. So in small amounts, ice cream can contribute to daily intake. But now we must look deeper. Ice cream is also high in calories. A small portion may contain a large amount of energy. If consumed often, your body stores excess energy as fat. Weight gain begins slowly, then becomes visible. Another issue is sugar overload. Too much sugar creates imbalance in your system. Energy rises quickly, then drops suddenly. This creates fatigue. Your body starts craving more sugar. A cycle begins. Another important factor is quality. Not all ice cream is the same. Many products contain artificial ingredients, additives, flavor enhancers. These reduce the natural value. So what is the correct approach? Ice cream is not an enemy. It is not a daily necessity either. It is a choice. Use it occasionally. Keep portions small. Choose simple versions with fewer ingredients. Pay attention to your body. Enjoy the taste without losing control. Because health is not about removing everything you enjoy. It is about understanding limits. Even sweet foods can exist in a balanced lifestyle, but only when you stay aware. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Your support matters. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay balanced. Take care.